Hey everyone, today I'm going to talk to you about why it's important for you to pick a shop that stocks all sizes of PPF. So as a little background, PPF generally is printed in patterns on a computer or custom installed, otherwise known as a bulk installation. The majority of people are using computer cut patterns for accuracy and to keep costs down because bulk patterns do waste more material and therefore people need to charge you, the client, more money to install, plus it takes longer. So most people are using these computer cut accurate patterns that are designed by software. So the majority of plotters, which is our printer that prints these patterns, are printing up to 60 inches. So anything above 60 inches is a non-standard roll, such as a 72 inch is the most common non-standard roll for most shops. So why is it important to have a shop that has all of these sizes? Well, it's not just for non-standard rolls such as 72 inch, but I'm going to tell you why just now. So when it comes to oversized rolls, 72 inch compared to 60 inch, for example, it's important to have a shop that stocks 72 inch because some hoods are so close to the border of 60 inches that installing a 60 inch piece of film on this large hood would require you to stretch it to the point where the material is thinned out and it won't last as long. Potentially it could have installation marks, as well as being thinned out also makes it more susceptible for rock chips to penetrate the film, because all film is not an impenetrable fortress. Sometimes rocks can penetrate that film. Another reason that it's important to stock non-standard size rolls or just all of the sizes is because some panels do not fit on certain rolls. For example, a C8 Corvette is generally a little bit too big for a one-piece bumper on a 36-inch roll of PPF. So here I also stock 42-inch and 48-inch, which will allow that bumper to fit in one piece. Now some shops, because they don't stock all the sizes, because 42 is an extremely rare size to stock and 48 is a pretty rare, it's probably the least selling size that shops stock. Some shops will only install that bumper in 3 pieces, and they install it in 3 pieces because the standard one size piece bumper pattern won't fit onto that 36-inch roll that they probably stock, because 36 is fairly popular. So what we have also is everything from 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 60, and 72-inch rolls of film. And we do that also to save you, the client, money. Because if I only stock a 60-inch roll, which is probably the most popular purchased roll, if I only stock a 60-inch roll and I have a 36-inch bumper, I've wasted 24 inches of material height-wise, assuming that, you know, I don't have anything else that I can fit onto that pattern. And so that cost gets either passed on to the client, or the shop eats it, makes less profit, and has to either cut corners elsewhere or maybe doesn't survive long-term as a shop, because PPF is incredibly expensive as a raw material. And so having all that wasted material is just literally throwing money away down the line. So that's why it's important to have a shop that it stocks all of these sizes. And of course we stock just about every size at Harker Heights Ceramic Coatings. There's not really many sizes that I don't stock. So you're in good hands here with all of our sizes.